I have another spooktacular Halloween dupe to throw at you guys today. So this is Dollar Tree versus Pottery Barn again, and Pottery Barn is selling these candlesticks for about $79, and of course I thought, let me do this Dollar Tree style. These Dollar Tree candles that you're going to see here really soon that I got from them, I love these at Dollar Tree because there's so many variations of height from short to tall, so that really came in handy because it gives just this added like layering look. I don't really know how to describe it, but I love different height. Plus I got the candlesticks at Dollar Tree as well. They were real. I spray painted these all flat black. I think that's the way to go. I think flat black looks so luxurious, but of course you can use any color paint, semi-gloss, whatever is up your alley. I will say the one mistake I made was that I tried to use hot glue to glue these candlesticks down into this holder, but you can't really do that. So you're either going to need to melt that wax so that it will stick to the bottom of that, or you're going to have to maybe use E6000 glue. So just throwing that out there. But basically this project cost me $6, but again, that's going to vary upon how many candlesticks you do, but Dollar Tree sells 2 of those candlesticks for $1. Alright, so now we're moving on to this. Now, even though this isn't an exact one-to-one replica of Pottery Barn, when I saw this, I really loved the book aspect of this movie reel and the black bird. So I decided that I was going to kind of make my own decor from that inspiration, if you will. So I'm going to show you all the books that I got from Dollar Tree, and I was blown away, you guys, because these are very Halloween-esque to me. So I'm showing you the covers in case you want to write these down and look for these books specifically, because I didn't really need the covers, I just needed the actual book itself because I wanted all the books to be black, and then the binding was fantastic, and even the titles, like the Witch's Hunter or whatever that was called, was in red, and then the Hollow Queen, and then the one with the crow on it. I just was like, are you kidding me? Like, this was just made for Halloween over here. So that's why I wanted to show you guys the covers. And basically all I did was I stacked them together, then I found a crow that I had from previous year's decor from Dollar Tree. I used a little bit of hot glue and I put the crow on top. You can add as many birds as you want. You can actually hot glue the books to each other if you want, which I did not do, just in case I decided to change up how I was displaying my books. But this project cost me $5, and honestly it was $4 because I already used this bird for previous decorations and I had it lying around. Alright, now let's go into this next one. Now, unfortunately, Pottery Barn says it's no longer available, so I can't tell you what the price comparison is going to be here, but I have a feeling it's by a lot. At least, I'm gonna go say at least anywhere between $60 to $100 difference. And this project cost me $2. So I got these serving hands, which also Pottery Barn is selling for $20-something, which you can get for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I did have to take a knife, but it was really easy cutting halfway through where the joint was meeting, because I didn't want the hand to be taller than the vase. And make sure that when you're at Dollar Tree and you're buying these, that you're measuring the hand to your vase so that it all fits. But it was really easy to break at the joint once I kind of cut halfway through. And then I just spray painted it the same matte black. And then what I did was I took the hot glue gun and I made sure I was watching to see where the hands met the surface of the vase, because not every part of the hand was touching the vase. And so wherever it was touching, that's where I used the hot glue to secure to the vase. And that is it. Like, what am I supposed to tell you guys? In my opinion, this was really, really simple, and matte black or flat black really comes in handy for Halloween, and I got it at Walmart. So that's it for my Dollar Tree versus Pottery Barn dupes. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!